Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Friday's market wrap-up here. TOPGUN Options, Matthew Buckley, call sign Wiz. I want to show you an example of the discipline that we talked about this week that is required to be a very, very, very successful trader. I also mentioned this week what? Pigs get slaughtered. I want to take a look at a trade from yesterday, right? I think I placed this during the brief or right after the last free full throttle brief. Look at this. I fired what I call a sniper shot, an S&P 500 sniper shot, 54.15, 54.10 bull put spread at $1.10. Okay. So what happened? Let's go look at yesterday. Fired the bull put spread right down here as the market bottomed out, fired that trade, and then look what happened. All the way up to here. What have I told you about a credit spread? Take profits. 7, 8, 9. If you're looking at a 70, 80, or 90% profit on the credit you take in, close it. One more time, pigs get slaughtered. What happened? If you did not close that trade, you turned a 95% winning trade. Look at what happened as the day went on. The market closed on the lows of the days. I told you, folks, that sucks. So look at this. Here's what I posted. And that's why we close trades, folks. This trade went from 95% profit to a 100% loss if you didn't close it. And I appreciate Larry jumping in here. This is a lesson you can use the rest of your life. Wiz closed for 5 cents, even though the trade was 50 S&P points away and expiring today. If he didn't close, max loss. Look at how the S&P 500 tanked. Ladies and gentlemen, discipline and risk management result in superior execution. There is a perfect example of that. If any of you just stayed in that thing and let it fly down range and didn't close it, it's 95% profit. I'm going to squeak out a couple more bucks. You went from a 95% profit to 100% loss. And I shot another bull put spread this morning, another sniper shot right there that's looking pretty good as the market goes up. Here you go, folks. This is the max after. Let me go right there. So shot another bull put spread this morning, and I'm going to close it again. 7, 8, 9, 70, 80, 90% profit. Hey, folks, quick reminder. We have, as of me jumping on right now, we have three full throttle memberships left. If you didn't get a chance to attend all of the briefs this week or any of the briefs or one of the briefs, they're all on the replay page right here. Day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4 is at the top of the page. Go.topgunoptions.com/FT. That stands for full throttle dash replay. Okay. All the replays are on the page, and then scroll down and grab one of the memberships, folks. Obviously, the 50% off deal for the full throttle annual membership is right there in the middle. Okay. If you want to try out our Hunters live trade group and have access to full throttle stuff for a couple months, just do the full throttle Hunters monthly. Okay. This is why it's cheaper to do the annual, folks. As a businessman, staying here for a year at $497 a month, or be smart and upgrade eventually and take the 50% profit. But this is for some folks who still want to kick the tires a little bit, but still get access to the Hunters live trading group over here. Okay. Put all my trades in the Hunters and the Max Afterburner group, which is the Lifetime. We post our intelligence in here. And then over here on the trade alerts thread, there you go, man. There's my bull put spread from yesterday. And the same thing that I posted. This is why we close trades right there. So all my trades go in here live. If you're just kind of still kicking the tires a little bit, do the $295 per month full throttle. Okay, that's kind of your trial, quote unquote. Technically, the trial was this week. I gave you 4 days, a full week of live trading and training. So I'm closing the doors here, folks. $295 a month is the bare minimum to get into our full throttle program. Reminder, solo Amazon is only $97. It's not included in full throttle. It's a separate service. Why? Because we only trade Amazon. That's why I called solo Amazon. And you can go on the homepage and find out where to buy that for only $97. Quick reminder, podcast just dropped. This one is really good, man. Love, Healing, and the Journey Through Hell. That's Brian Fleming. He was a medic in the 10th Mountain, the infamous 10th Mountain Division. blown up twice, folks. 2 IEDs. The second one got him. 14 months in the hospital, burns, injuries. He was medically separated after that and was going through hell. He found healing with psychedelic assisted therapy. You have got to listen to this podcast, folks. You can listen to it on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Stitcher, wherever cool kids listen to podcasts. Go check out episode 104 of the Max Afterburner podcast. It's very, very special episode. The one that's going to drop next Thursday, my wife interviewed, my beautiful bride Susie interviews Jamie, his wife. Jamie was sexually abused at the age of 3 for the next couple decades by 2 uncles. And for some reason, the father is still amicable with those 2 humans. You have got to listen to the next one, episode 105, where Jamie details her healing with psychedelic assisted therapy. The things that she purged, the suffering that she got rid of is going to blow you away. And I'm very proud that my beautiful bride was the host. She hosted that one for me because I had a doctor's appointment. Got to go take care of everything. All right, folks, we had a great week. I taught you how to dog fight the market. What does that mean? We have bullish trades on the S&P 500, and we have bearish trades on. So as for the past couple days this week, the market has imploded. The bearish trades we have on are printing money. Now, folks, the markets don't go down forever. This is a nice little pullback like right here. It's going to turn around, and we're going to see the rally continue through September. I think there's close to a 100% probability that the Fed cuts interest rates in September. We're going to see a rip-your-face-off rally into that announcement. Now, we covered this week, I think, in session 2 or something like that. It's a whizzism. It's a Wall Streetism. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Have you seen this before? Hey, I hear Amazon is going to have great earnings, and the stock runs up into earnings. They report great earnings, stock sells off. Why? I just told you. The market tends to buy the rumor and sell the actual news and take profit. That's why retail traders end up getting hammered. This is why you join Top Gun Options, folks. I give you the behind-the-scenes look at what Wall Street is doing, thinking, all that type of stuff, folks. I helped run a multi-billion-dollar volatility arbitrage firm in the Chicago Board of Trade, folks. I know what I'm doing. I know about scumbags like this guy. You ever see this guy? Citron, Andrew Luck, I think his name, just got indicted for fraud and sued by the SEC and all sorts of stuff like that. Federal pros. Andrew left, not Andrew Luck. Wasn't that a quarterback of the Colts or something like that? So this guy, darling on CNBC, smart money, a fraud and just an absolute scumbag. Go read this article in the Wall Street Journal. So I know this type of stuff, folks. I know what goes on, and I know how to take advantage of these type of things. So do me a favor. Go watch the replays. If you didn't get a chance this week, go.topgunoptions.com/FT-replay. Scroll down to click on day 1, day 2, day 3. Or just go over to the Top Gun Options YouTube channel, folks. Go to this YouTube channel and do me a favor and subscribe. We need more than 4,150 subscribers, folks. Those are rookie numbers. Let's pump those numbers up. Almost all of my free content, or not almost, all of my free content is posted on here. And guess what Uncle Wiz did? Options Weapon School, folks, is $297. You know what I did? I made all 6 of these Options Weapon School briefs public. Why? Because I'm in a good mood, because we had a hell of a week of trading, and I just want to put the ladder down. Go watch all 6. The first 3 were the only free ones up until me being in a good mood. Now all 6 are on our YouTube page. Yes, you're welcome. I just ask that you subscribe to our channel so you can get access to great content like this. All right, folks, I got to go. Friday market wrap up. You got the next 3 folks to grab a membership. We're done. We close the doors. We won't do another full throttle, I think, until next quarter. We only do this once a quarter. I don't need a ton of people. I don't want a ton of people, folks. We like a nice, close, tight-knit squadron of traders and investors. We don't like the unwashed masses, folks. So if you don't want to join, maybe we'll see you next quarter, okay? Have a great rest of your day. Happy hunting. Make sure you're hedged like we are. Fights on. Namaste and basi basi. Wiz out.